quadratic equation ICSE class 10. An equation with one variable in which the highest power of the variable is 2 is known as quadratic equation. Ideal form of quadratic equation is ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0, where a, b and c are the real number and a not equal to 0 is the standard form of quadratic equation. Ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0, the quadratic equation has two roots. It means x has two values. B square minus 4ac is called the discriminant, shortly capital D. The nature of the roots: if d equal to 0, roots are real and equal. If d greater than 0, roots are real and unequal. If d less than 0, roots are imaginary, means not real. Solving of quadratic equation by two ways: A by factorization, B by using the formula x equal to minus b plus minus root over b square minus 4ac by 2a. The relation of roots with a, b, c are such that sum of the roots equal to minus b by a and product of the roots equal to c by a. The questions are solved here. Some questions. Number 1, if 3 and minus 3 are the solutions of the equation ax square plus bx minus 9 equal to 0, find the values of a and b. Here ax square plus bx minus 9 equal to 0 is the required equations. By putting the 3 and minus 3, ultimately we get that two conditions. Number 3a plus b equal to 3, number 1, and number 2, 3a minus b equal to 3, number 2. By solving the equation 1 and 2, we get a equal to 1 and b equal to 0. Find the values of p if the following equations has equal roots: x square plus p minus 3 into x plus p equal to 0. Here d equal to 0 as the it has two equal roots. D means b square minus 4 is equal to 0. Here a equal to 1, b equal to p minus 3 and c equal to p. By substituting the value of a, b and c, ultimately we get the condition p minus 1 into p minus 9 equal to 0 by solving p equal to either 1 or p equal to 9. Solving of the following equations by factorization. Question number: x minus 3 by x plus 3 plus x plus 3 by x minus 3 equal to 2 whole 1 by 2. Taking x minus 3 equal to x plus by x plus 3 equal to p, we get the required sum is p plus 1 by p equal to 5 by 2. By solving, we get the ultimately p minus 2 into 2p minus 1 equal to 0. By the zero product rules, either p minus 2 equal to 0 or 2p minus 1 equal to 0. By solving, we get that p equal to 2 and p equal to half. And substituting the value of p as x minus 3 by x plus 3, ultimately we get that x equal to minus 1, x equal to 9. X equal to minus 9 and x equal to 9. Another questions: 1 plus 1 by x plus 1 into 1 minus 1 by x minus 1 equal to 7 by 8. By solving, we get x square equal to 25, a quadratic equation, and ultimately x equal to plus minus 5. Another question: find the quadratic equations whose solution set is 1, 3, 5 and 2, minus 2, 3. Number 1, required equation is by the rules x square minus sum of the roots brackets x plus product of the roots equal to 0. Here x square minus sum of the roots means 3 plus 5 whole x plus 3 into 5. Ultimately the equation is x square minus 8x plus 15. Question number 2. As two roots are minus 2 and 3, we can write that x minus minus 2 equal to 0 or x minus 3 equal to 0. Or x plus 2 into x minus 3 equal to 0. Ultimately the equation is x square minus x minus 6. Question number 3. Solve x by a minus a plus b by x equal to b into a plus b by ax. By solving, we get ax into x square minus a square minus 2ab minus b square equal to 0. Either x equal to 0 or s square minus a square minus 2ab minus b square equal to 0, or x equal to plus minus a plus b. So two results are x equal to 0 and x equal to plus minus a plus b. Another questions solving by using formula. Question number 1, 4x square minus 5x minus 3. Here 4x square minus 5x minus 3 equal to 0. Comparing with x square plus bx plus c equal to 0, you get that a equal to 4, b equal to minus 5, c equal to minus 3. And x equal to, we know that by the formula minus b plus minus root over b square minus 4ac by 2a, we get the ultimately x equal to either 1.69 or minus 0.44. Question number 2, root over x by x minus 3 plus root over x minus 3 by x equal to 5 by 2. Let root over x by x minus 3 equal to u. The new equations will be u plus 1 by u equal to 5 by 2. Solving, we get that u minus 2 into 2u minus 1 equal to 0, or u equal to 2 or u equal to half. Substituting u equal to root over x by x minus 3 equal to 2 and u equal to half. So ultimately you solve x equal to 4 and x equal to minus 1. Another question, x minus 1 whole square minus 3x minus 4 equal to 0, or ultimate equation is x square minus 5x minus 3 equal to 0. By using the Siddharacharya formula, we get the x equal to minus b plus minus root over b square minus 4ac by 2a. Ultimately x equal to either 5.5415 or minus 0.5415. Questions. Another question, a plus b whole square x square minus a plus b whole into x minus 6 equal to 0, where a plus b not equal to 0. We solving in the standard form by using formula a plus b into x equal to u. Substituting the equation is u square minus u minus 6. By solving by factorization, we get that u minus 3 into u plus 2 equal to 0. Substituting x equal to 3 by a plus b or x equal to minus 2 by a plus b. The question, 1 by p plus 1 by q plus 1 by x equal to 1 by x plus p plus q, and solving we get that x plus p into x plus q equal to 0, where x equal to minus p or x equal to minus q. Question number, another question, 2x minus 3 equal to root over 2x square minus 2x plus 21. Squaring the both sides, you get that 2x minus 3 whole square equal to 2x square minus 2x plus 21. Ultimately solving, we get the quadratic equation x square minus 5x minus 6 equal to 0. And by using formula, where a equal to 1, b equal to minus 5, c equal to minus 6, we get x equal to 6 or x equal to minus 1. Now some question of problems. 3 positive numbers are in the ratio half e to 1 by 3 e to 1 by 4. Find the numbers if the sum of their square is 244. By standard form of the ratio of half e to 1 by 4 e to 1 by 3, we get that 6 e to 3 e to 4. Let the numbers are 6x, 3x and 4x. By the condition, the equation will be 6x whole square plus 4x whole square plus 3x whole square equal to 244. Solving, we get that x equal to plus minus 2. Substituting, we get the numbers 12, 6 and 8. Question number 2. One pipe can fill a cistern in 3 hours uses than the others. The 2 pipes together can fill the cistern in 6 hours 40 minutes. Find the time that each pipe will take to fill the cistern. Let the 2 pipe can fill in x hours and x minus 3 hours. The required equation will be by the condition 1 by x minus plus 1 by x minus 3 equal to 1 by 6 hours 40 minutes, or 1 by x plus 1 by x minus 3 equal to 1 by 6 or 2 by 3. By solving, we get x equal to 15 or x equal to 4 by 3, which will be cancelled. Therefore, by condition, Therefore, x equal to 15 hours, and other pipe can fill it 12 hours. A positive number is divided into two parts such that the sum of the squares of the two parts is 20. The square of the together part, larger part is 8 times the smaller part. Taking x as the smaller part, find the equations and find others. By the condition, let the smaller number is x. The square of the larger number will be 8x. The equation will be x square plus 8x minus 20 equal to 0. By solving, we get that x equal to minus 10, which will be cancelled. That prime can't be negative. So x equal to 2. Therefore, smaller part is 2 and larger part will be 6. The equal number is 2 plus 4, that is 6. Area of a big rectangular room is 300 meter square. If the length were decreased by 5 meter and the breadth increased by 5 meter, the area would be unaltered. Find the length of the room. Let the length be x meter and breadth will be 300 by x meter. By the problem, x minus 5 into 300 by x plus 5 equal to 300. By solving, we get that x minus 20 into x plus 15 equal to 0, where x equal to 20 or x equal to minus 15, that will be cancelled as negative numbers. Therefore, length equal to 20 meter. A can covers a distance of 400 kilometer, a car 400 kilometer, and at a certain speed. Had the speed been 12 kilometer more, the time taken for the journey would be 1 hour 40 minutes less. Find the original speed of the car. Let the original speed of the car is x kilometer per hour. By the problem, the equation will be 400 by x minus 400 by x plus 12 equal to 140 by 60. Ultimately, by solving we equation, by factorization, we get that x plus 60 into x minus 48 equal to 0, where x equal to minus 60 will be cancelled as negative and x equal to 48. Therefore, original speed is 48 km per hour. 1 year ago, another question. 1 year ago, a man was 8 times as old as his son. How his age is equal to the square of his man's age. Now, find their present age. Let the son's age 1 year ago is x years. Therefore, father's age 1 year ago will be 8x years. Present age of father is 8x plus 1 years and present son is x plus 1 years. By the problem, x plus 1 whole square equal to 8x plus 1. By solving, by factorization, we get that x into x minus 6 equal to 0, or x equal to 0 or x equal to 6. As x equal to 0, age can't be 0, so cancelled, and x equal to 6. Therefore, father age is, by substituting, we get that 49 years and son's age is 7 years. The speed of a boat in still water is 15 km per hour. It can go 30 km upstream and the return downstream. The original point in 4 hours 30 minutes to the original point. Find the speed of the stream. Let the speed of the stream equal to x km per hour. Therefore, speed in the upstream equal to 15 minus x km per hour and downstream equal to 15 plus x km per hour. By the problem, the 30 by 15 minus x plus 30 by 15 plus x equal to 4 whole 30 by 60, and solving the equation, we got that x equal to plus minus 5. Therefore, speed of the stream is 5 km per hour. A trader bought a number of articles for rupees 1200. 10 were damaged and he sold each of the remaining articles at rupees 2 more than what he paid for it, thus getting a profit of rupees 60 on the transaction. Taking the number of article he bought as x from an equation in x and solve it. According to the problem, number of articles be bought equal to x. Therefore, cost price of each article equal to rupees 200 by x, and selling price will be rupees 1200 by x plus 2. By the problem, the equation will be 1200x plus 2 into x minus 10 equal to minus 1200. By solving equal to 1200. By solving we get that x minus 100 into x plus 60 equal to 0, or x equal to 100, or x equal to minus 60, that is cancelled. So number of articles bought equal to 100. An aeroplane travel a distance of 400 km at an average speed of x km per hour. On the return journey, the speed was increased by 40 km per hour. Write down and expressions for the time taken for and the onward journey and the return journey. If the return journey takes 30 minutes less than the original journey, write down that equation x and find the values. By the problem, the speed of the journey is x km per hour. The speed of the return journey will be x plus 40 km per therefore hour. Time for onward journey will be 400 by x hours, and time for return journey will be 400 by x plus 40 hours. By the problem, the equation will be 400 by x minus 400 by x plus 40 equal to 30 minutes, or 400 by x minus 400 x plus 40 equal to half hours. Solving we get that x minus 160 into x plus 200 equal to 0, or x equal to 160, and x equal to minus 200 will be cancelled as it can be negative. The speed of the aeroplane will be 100 km per hour. In an auditorium, seats were arranged in rows and columns. Number of rows was equal to the number of seats in the each row. When the number of the rows was doubled and the numbers of seats in each row was reduced by 10, the total number of the seats increased by 300. Find the number of rows in the original arrangements, the number of the seats in the auditorium after rearrangements. Let the number of rows be x, therefore number of seats equal to s square. When the number of rows was doubled and the number of seats was reduced by 10, the number of seats will be 2x into x minus 10. According to the problem, 2x into x minus 10 minus x square equal to 300. By solving we get that x minus 30 into x plus 10 equal to 0, or x equal to 30. X equal to minus 10 will be cancelled, negative. Number 2, number of the seats in each row before arrangement will be 30. Therefore, total number of the seats after rearrangement will be 2x into x minus 10, so 2 into 30 into 20, 1200. Another question, rupees 480 is divided equally among x children. If the number of children were 20 more, then each would have get rupees 20 less. Find x. According to the problem, number of children equal to x. Therefore, each children gets equal to rupees 480 by x. If number of children is 20 more, then children gets will be rupees 480 by x plus 20. According to the problem, 480 by x minus 480 by x plus 20 equal to 12. By solving we get that x equal to 20. A bus covers a distance of 240 km at a uniform speed. Due to the heavy rain, the speed gets reduced by 10 km per hour, and as such it takes 2 hours longer to cover the total distance. Assuming the unknown speed be x km per hour, form an equation and solve it. According to the problem, the speed of the bus is x km per hour. By the problem, the equation will be 200 by 40 by x minus 10 minus 240 by x equal to 2. By solving we get that x plus 30 into x minus 40 equal to 0, or x equal to minus 30, that will be cancelled, so x equal to 40. Therefore, required speed equal to 40 km per hour. The sum of, another question, the sum of the ages of Vivek and his younger brother Amit is 47 years. The product of their ages in years is 550. Find their ages. Let Vivek age is x years. Therefore, his brother's age is 47 minus x years. By the problem, x into 47 minus x equal to 550. By solving, we get that x equal to 25 or x equal to 22. When Vivek is 25 years, his brother is 22 years. Thank you. Like me and subscribe my channel.